Yo, what is up? It is Skip from Skip Rides, my guy. This is it with the baffle out. Long story short, I wanted to film a video before I put it back in because it is too loud. If you can get a handle on any of that. Make sure this cord, there we go. It's very loud. In fact, it's extremely loud. Some would say it's too loud, and I'm one of those people. As you can see from that, it is very loud. And I have to be honest, guys, as cool as it sounds, it reduces the power without the baffle. I don't care what anyone says, proper tune, this and that. I think there's proper tune, absolutely, but I think it would have to be extremely wet. And I just think you need some back pressure. Right now it's the megaphone coming out the back, as my buddy explains. But yeah, see, like, not as much power as before. I could tell you it's less power. Obviously the tune is set up exactly for that, but it's such a substantial amount of difference in airflow, air to fuel ratio it must be, or exhaust ratio, where it's just like, it's too much and it's loud as fuck. Right now it's, you know, Laconia Harley Davidson week or bike week in New Hampshire, and whenever I start this thing, like, listen, I like it. I like when people look at me and they're like, what the hell is that? Why is it louder than my 117 Harley? But at the same time, I think there might be some sort of an issue. I don't think it's all an applaud that I'm louder than the 117 Harley. That's just loud, man. Woo! She goes. She goes. Here, check behind me. Not running any mirrors right now. I'm getting them soon, but new bars. Check out the new bars, y'all. Pretty sweet, right? So incredibly loud. I just feel like you don't need it to be this loud, man. I mean, like, I'm all for noise. And obviously it comes out for bike week, that's the whole point, but I wanted to make a video so people realized how goddamn loud this is. It is so noisy. Ready? So fucking noisy. I've only heard it once before. It was without the tune. I think it used to be louder and more poppy without the tune when the baffle was out. So that's what this video's for. We're gonna set up the camera somewhere around here, you know, just so we can get a little sound bite, so I could put the baffle back in, and so everyone else can enjoy it, just like me. Actually, yeah. Get a couple of sound bites going. Yeah, right here. Let's do over here so I can spin around. Wow. Is this someone's house or? No, it's not. Actually, right here is good. Try to get a couple of passes with no cars as best we can. Badass, right? Man, I'm sorry to whoever's house I just drove by 6 times. But, as usual, we don't even know if this place is real, because everything in my videos are a simulation. But forget about that. We'll chill. There we go. See that? This feeling is referred to as velocitation. When you drastically drop in speed and it feels like you're crawling. right, cool. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. And the baffle's going back in. I don't really care what anyone thinks about that. It's way too loud. But yeah, later guys.